Okay, so I'm gonna do this with you guys, and you and me will find out stuff that I never knew before, probably, even though I know my nationality. Guys, hey, you know what? That'll be cool. Let's do this. If you don't know me already and you guys want to guess, you could guess my nationality, and then when I get this back, we'll see if I'm right and we'll see if you're right. So let's see, I'll give you a hint. I'm a mixture of two nationalities. Only the people that know me, and you know who you are, know my nationality, which is not that many people because I'm a super loner and it's sad. But if you don't know me and you're my subscriber, you don't know me personally like that, and I don't even know if I announced it, but I actually did, and I'm not gonna say where, and it's public. But besides the point, if you want to know, if you want to guess my nationality, go ahead. It's two different nationalities. It's like basically 50-50, just about. So go ahead and guess the two nationalities and put it in the comments down below. Please don't rag on me, and if you do, whatever, okay? I'm only gonna answer to the nice comments. I'm not answering any mean comments or if you're ragging on me, so don't tell me I'm part polar bear and half Mexican or something like that. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. But if you want to be funny, I can't stop you because I have the comment section on. All right, I'm trying to leave it on. I'm just gonna leave it on. Whatever, say whatever you want. But for those who are really real that want to do this, just guess my nationality. It's two nationalities. All right, enough said. So let's open this thing. All right, this is going to Los Angeles, California. And I just took CBD, so I'm a little bit weird. Okay, so here we go. Let me stop. Let me be regular. 23andme, welcome to you. Welcome to you. Welcome to you. Saliva collection kit. Okay. Register your kit at 23andme.com/start. Okay, I did not do that, but I'm going to open this. So you open it, it says hi, has a brochure, and then it has this collection kit that I'm gonna do with you, and I'm gonna put the box to the side and open the collection kit. I already washed my hands, okay? So I washed my hands and all that stuff. So it comes with this biohazard bag. My mom did this before, like a year or so ago, so I kind of know how it goes. So there, comes in this whatever. And then it has the cover and the tube where I spit my magic into. What do we have here? Oh, ooh la la. Funnel lid cap, blah blah blah. Ready, set, wait. Before you begin, please review this important information. Indications for use. The test is intended to provide users with genetic information, lifestyles, warning, and precaution. Don't get this crap in your eyes, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm ready to start spitting. I registered the 23andme kit, and what I did was there was some terms and conditions. I consented for the terms and service. Research content document, individual data sharing content opportunities, and I just declined the biobanking because I just don't want to store my spit. Okay, so I'm just like, let's start it. Let's do this, okay? All right. It said not to do bubbles, so it's a lot of spit. Fill to there. Wait, oh, it's only this much. Let me see. How do you not get bubbles? Oh, I'm doing good. There's bubbles, but Dang it, my lipstick is going on there. Wow, I'm doing pretty good. I got my lipstick on there, but I gotta wipe it off. Alright, so it's mad bubbles, but at least I think I got enough spit. I think I see my lipstick a little bit in there. Oh well, if they have a problem, then oops, I think I gave a little bit too much. Ugh. Okay, so I did over what they said, just like by a little bit. Oh, I don't need to wipe it because I don't need this funnel. So I'm going to close this until it clicks. Wow, I think I filled too much. I think I filled too much. Oh, I already did. Whatever. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks weird. I literally... Anyways, so I guess all this stuff clicked in there. So I'm going to slowly turn it. Right. And then put the cap on. Like so, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake it for 5 seconds. It looks weird. Looks very interesting. Wow, can you just imagine your whole DNA and everything in your spit? It's crazy. I'm like getting mind blown as we speak. All right, I think that's enough shaky. So now I'm gonna put this into the padded thing. That, and it's supremely biohazard specimen bag. Put it in the bag, rip the tape, and then fold it. Because you don't want this spilling out. And we're done. Okay, so now I'm going to take my thing and I'm going to put it in here, like so. There we go. Now I'm gonna close the box, and there's tape over here. Remove, and we seal. All right, I'm going to go ship this out tomorrow, and in a couple of weeks I should get the results, hopefully sooner. And that's it. That was it. Thank you for going on this journey with me. This disgusting spit journey. All right, so here's the deal. You got to, if you want, guess my nationality and subscribe, please. Please consider subscribing so you can find out what nationality I am, so you can see me find out what nationality I am, and all that good stuff. And I will definitely be doing a update on this when I get the results, and I'm gonna see it with you guys on video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys had done any DNA tests that you think is better than 23andme, go ahead and drop that in the comments down below. I'll check it out. Maybe I'll go and buy that and check it out and compare it with the 23andme, because when I did research, the 23andme seemed more cooler out of the ones that I found personally. But if you know of any that is recommended that is better than 23andme, let me know. I'll try it out and we'll see how it goes from there. So thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to be throwing out more content over here for you guys. So I will see you next time.